Hello friends! Today I'm doing the unboxing of the FJALLRAVEN Kanken, but this time not backpack but pack tote. So it came some time ago from Urban Outfitters, and this thing came in this package. It's Kånken tote pack in color pink from Urban Outfitters, and packaging looks like this. Let's take it out. Ta-da! This is in pink color, and it's called FJALLRAVEN Kanken brand. And this is tote pack. So this bag is popular brand from Sweden, and I decided to get it because I wanted to try out how it would be. And lately I really like the pink color, so that's why I decided to get it. So this on Urban Outfitters, and I wanted it. Yeah. So yeah, here is this thing, this bag. So it has two handles, which looks like this. On top, one handle has more like structure, more secured, and on back this thing has this cross here, and then it has this thing on top, which makes it easy to grab, easier. Then opens like so, and inside, oh guys, inside it looks like this. So it has nice, here's nicely made that you don't see the spring, but here on the other side you see here fraying, like that thing we could put into material like here, because this doesn't look too good. See? And even one sticking out. And then inside it has lining on both sides, on this one and on the other one, and has zipper here, and like in backpacks it has this pocket here where you can put things, and here it comes with this phone, which is seat pad. Here it has this seat pad, and you can take it off and sit on it. See here. I will keep it inside. And then also this bag tote pack, it also had this pocket here, some another slide pocket, slip pocket, and also here you can put your name And you can see, and here is flag, Swedish flag. And what else? And in front you can find here is one small pocket, and inside we put Kånken folder, Kånken family. The Kånken family. That's cool. We have even inserts for camera, and you can buy also straps, additional straps for those things, because this bag have only this kind of straps, and they are, you can put it down like this, and then you have already set length for them. But in this tote bag you cannot regulate them. You can only put them up or down. This Kånken tote bag, difference from the backpack is that it's open like this and doesn't go down. And also I think these two pockets are a little bit wider. You can put all hand inside and it actually fit water bottle, but a little more skinnier. This backpack, I mean tote, is made from G1000 material. Here is. So this is like canvas. See, canvas, but this canvas is like a little bit coated with something, so it's like more sturdy. I don't know if you can see structure of it. I wanted to show you. See, this is structure. It's like small canvas, and it's like really stiff. And I heard it comes more soft with use, a little soften up. And also when you bend it, it leaves like white marks here. It's like mark spots. I mean white spots, like white wrinkles. Yeah, this backpack, I really like the color of it. That it's like pink, but it's kind of blushy. Also, this thing supposedly is lightening in the light, in the dark. A new light on it. This thing. Also, the difference between backpack, besides this pocket, is that it has at the bottom of it, this pocket has some padding. The bottom part is like padded, this padded stripe, and in this one also is padded like this much stripe. And I got that Kånken original and doesn't have it. So this thing is a little better. Comes to padding inside. So yeah, that's really nice. That's nice tote pack. You can put here quite some space and quite some stuff. This is like not that small, but I don't think it would fit up to 15 inches. I think maybe 30 each. What else? It can be when it comes to look can be seen this way, and then it's like this length on me. See, when I can wear it like this, which is really comfortable. I can wear it also like this on your arm, and then it's not as comfortable to wear like so. And you can wear it like backpack. And you put this down and wear it like this. So on me, it looks like this. So yeah, this is my new bag from FJALLRAVEN KANKEN, Swedish brand. This maybe will be the thumbnail. So yeah, hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe, then maybe I will do more videos about this brand or more unboxings. And tell me if you like this color, or if you would get this tote pack, or you would prefer normal backpack as I showed in previous video, Kånken classic, or is it even too small for you? So let me know in the comments. And then also you can tell me which color you would get from FJALLRAVEN Kanken. Sometimes we have them on sale, like I saw sale for 25% off of all backpacks from this brand, and it was on Urban Outfitters, and I got one Kånken classic, but different than previous one. I got the a flamingo pink, so I will get it in September as it is back ordered, so it was cheaper. This one was also cheaper at that day, but this color was sold out. So yeah, thank you for watching, and thumbs up, subscribe, and that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.